everyone, hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Vidya and in our today's lesson we will be learning another new topic in German language, that is numbers from 0 to 20. Die Zahlen von 0 bis 20. And before we begin, I urge you to watch the entire video. If you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and do not forget to share the video with as many people as you can. So that said, let's begin. The first number we will be learning is 0. That is 0 as in null. Null. Next is eins. Eins as in 1. Zwei. Zwei. Read my lips. Zwei. 2. Drei. Drei as in 3. Vier. Vier as in 4. Fünf. Fünf as in 5. Sechs. Sechs as in 6. Sieben. Sieben as in 7. Acht. Acht as in 8. Neun. 9 as in 9. 10. 10 as in 10. Elf. Elf as in 11. 12. 12 as in 12. So the numbers from 0 to 12 were slightly of a single digit numbers, so were quickly and easier, a little more easier to pronounce, and the numbers from 13 onwards will be a combination of the digits that form that number. For example, when I say 13, it is the combination of 3 and 10 from the backwards, that is the digit 3 is said first and followed by the number 10. So that makes 13. Similarly, the next numbers will follow. So let me know if you have understood this concept. If any confusion, please leave a comment in the comment box below and I'm here to help you. So that's it. Let's continue. 14. 14 as in 14. 15. 15 as in 15. 16. 16 as in 16. 17. 17 as in 17. 18. 18 as in 18. 19. 19 as in 19. And the last number for today is 20, which is called as 20 in German. 20. In our next lesson, we will be learning numbers that are greater than 20. And until then, I want you to please keep practicing. Go through the entire video again and take up the test at the end of the video. See how well you have learned the numbers from 0 to 20. If there is any doubt, any confusion, please leave a comment in the comment box below. If you like the video, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video with as many people as you can, so a lot many people can learn this wonderful language of German. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.